Hello Panthers, this is Dr. Hovel and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says, during the first part of a hike, Andre drank 1.5 liters of the water he brought. If this is 50% of the water he brought, how many liters of water did he bring? So the first thing I'll ask you is, how many groups, and you can even write this down with me, how many groups of 50% are in 100%? Or you can think about this as how many groups of 50 are in 100. So if the percent sign is throwing you off for now, just think about, well, how many groups of 50 are in 100? There are 2 groups of 50 in 100. Which is to say there are 2 groups of 50% and 100%. So we want to say, alright, well, if Andre drank 1.5 liters, and that's 50% of the water he brought, that means he brought 2 portions of water equal to this 1.5 liters. So this is 50%. He has another 50% somewhere. So how much water did he bring total? We need to do 1.5 plus 1.5. So line it up by place value, make sure that your decimal places are lined up, and it's just normal addition. So 5 plus 5 is 10, put my 0 down, carry my 1, drop my decimal point, keep it in the same place value. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 3. So Andre brought 3 liters. Next, it says if Andre drank 80% of his water on his entire hike, how many liters of water did he drink? So he has 3 liters total. So Andre has 3 liters total. And maybe you remember on a previous problem, we had to think about like what was 40% of a number or even 75% of a number. We approached those problems by finding different percentages. So if we're wondering what 80% of this is, of Andre's water, do you know of a kind of easier percentage that we can calculate first that'll help us figure this out? Because we could figure out what's 10%. So 80% is like 10 groups. Excuse me. Sorry, it's like 8 groups of 10%. So let's figure out what 10% is. So to think about that, we know there are 10 groups of 10% and 100%. So in these 3 liters he has total, that 100%, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 little boxes here. And total, this represents 3 liters. So if all 10 of these add up to be 3 liters total, how much water is in each part? What's 3 divided by 10? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. 3 divided by 10, well, that's going to be 3/10. So all of these have 3/10 in them. You get the idea. So Andre drank 80% of his water. So he drank 8 out of these 10 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much water did he drink total? Or if you look at it this way, you could think, how much water did he not drink? Because over here, the water he didn't drink, what's 0.3 plus 0.3? 3/10 plus 3/10 is 6/10. We could think about subtracting that 6/10 from his 3 liters total. Or you can do 8 times 3/10. Okay, both are going to get you to the answer of 2.4. So he drank 2.4 liters of water. Alright, so thanks so much for working this problem with me. On this one, I would say maybe it'll be helpful to watch this video twice, because now you know where the story ends. So you could watch this video again and try to make some predictions for the next time I'm working it. Like maybe you can be like, okay, what was the next step? You can pause the video and try to predict my next move. That'll let you know that you're actually getting some mastery on this. Alright, so thanks so much for watching the video. I hope it'll help you be successful.